Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Walk on Suit F1 Empowering Paraplegics. South Korean researchers at KAIST have developed a groundbreaking wearable exoskeleton robot, the Walk on Suit F1, to assist paraplegic users. The suit can walk up to users, lock itself onto them, and enable them to walk, climb stairs, and maneuver obstacles. The Walk-On Suit F1 has won recognition, including a gold medal in the exoskeleton category at Cybathlon 2024. This innovation aims to integrate seamlessly into the daily lives of individuals with disabilities, improving mobility and independence. Celebrate the new year with Drishti IAS. Avail 50% discount on all online pen drive courses and test series from 28th to 31st of December. Additionally, you can also avail 25% discount on all books and DLP. For any query, give us a call at 87501. Download the Drishti Learning app now. Design and functionality of the Walk-On Suit F1. The Walk-On Suit F1 weighs 50 kg and is made of aluminium and titanium, powered by 12 electronic motors to simulate human joint movements. The robot features advanced sensors in its soles and upper body, monitoring 1000 signals per second to anticipate and assist with the user's movement. Lenses on the front of the robot work as eyes, analyzing the surroundings to detect obstacles, stairs, and other environmental features. The robot can approach users sitting in a wheelchair, lock onto them, and help them stand, a key feature that sets it apart from other assistive devices. The AI-based system enhances balance and mobility, compensating for the lack of sensory ability in users with complete paraplegia. Future and potential applications. The Walk-On Suit F1 has the potential to change the lives of paraplegics by offering a practical wearable solution to mobility challenges. The technology may also evolve to support a broader range of physical disabilities, helping users regain independence in various everyday tasks. The exoskeleton technology advances. It could pave the way for the development of lighter, more affordable suits for broader use. The success of the Walk-On Suit F1 opens new possibilities in medical and assistive robotics with potential applications in rehabilitation and beyond. Now it's time for the practice question. What technology does the Walk-On Suit F1 use to assist with balance? Camera system, AI sensors, gyroscope, or motion detectors? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.